Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Cardano price prediction and Cardano news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Cardano in 2022. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform that says its goal is to allow changemakers, innovators and visionaries to bring about positive global change. Cardano was founded back in 2017 and named after the 16th century Italian polymath Girolamo Cardano. The native ADA token takes its name from the 19th century mathematician Ada Lovelace, widely regarded as the world's first computer programmer. The ADA token is designed to ensure that owners can participate in the operation of the network. Because of this, those who hold the cryptocurrency have the right to vote on any proposed changes to the software. In August 2021, Charles Hoskinson announced the launch of the Alonso hard fork, causing Cardano price to surge, gaining 116% in the following month. On September 12, 2021, the Cardano Alonso hard fork officially launched, bringing smart contract functionality to the blockchain. Over 100 smart contracts were deployed in the following 24 hours after the launch. Cardano is used by agricultural companies to track fresh produce from field to fork, while other products built on the platform allow educational credentials to be stored in a tamper-proof way, and retailers to clamp down on counterfeit goods. With the real-time price and delivery of an asset, there's no buying a contract to buy or sell Bitcoin if it hits a certain price in the future. The transaction takes place immediately. We're off to a really good start. The screens are lit. We've had some really good trades, Shaw said. And just to unpack that a little bit, the micro Bitcoin futures contract we launched in May of last year, and already we've done close to 5 million contracts. The group's initial Bitcoin futures contract has experienced significant growth as well. In the few years, just over 4 years since we launched our initial futures contract, the standard Bitcoin future with 5-time multiplier, we've seen that grow from doing 1,000 contracts a day to now 10,000 a day, she said. That growth is mind-boggling. Outside of CME, the crypto derivatives market has been getting a lot of attention from crypto-native exchanges. Crypto.com, FTX and Coinbase have all made moves to cater to derivatives traders in the past year. Legendary rapper Snoop Dogg to launch an NFT collection on Cardano. American rapper Snoop Dogg has taken another step in his crypto, but this time, the rapper is making a bet on Cardano. Snoop Dogg, who has been in the NFT space since last year, has become a well-known name in the space due to his unrelenting support and his collections, which are worth millions of dollars, the majority of which are domiciled on Ethereum. Now, the rapper is turning his attention to Cardano for his latest foray into the NFT space. Making big moves, Cardano has grown to become one of the most sought-after decentralized finance (DeFi) networks after the launch of smart contracts capability last year. So much so that it has caught the eye of big players such as Snoop Dogg, who is now launching his own NFT collection on the blockchain. This was announced on Twitter by Clay Nation, who is launching the NFT collection in conjunction with Snoop Dogg and NFT artist Champ Medici. This partnership will bring to life various collectibles, unreleased music from the rap veteran, and other limited edition pitches. This partnership is endorsed by Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson, who makes a cameo in the announcement video featuring 2 clay characters made for Snoop Dogg and Champ Medici. Mark above BTC's $15.9 billion and Ethereum's $3.6 billion. The only other chain that in a 24-hour period surpassed $1 billion in transaction volume was that of Litecoin, $LTC. Transaction volumes on the Cardano network have been exploding along with its decentralized finance ecosystem, which according to DeFi data is now above the $400 million mark. As CryptoGlobe reported, MintSwap, an automated market maker, decentralized exchange, DEX, on Cardano, which supports multiple pricing functions for a single liquidity pool, has recently become the top DeFi protocol on Cardano by total value locked. Next to it is SundaeSwap, a native, scalable decentralized exchange and automated liquidity provision protocol that is backed by Fund, Alameda Research, and Double Peak Group. While MintSwap has $188 million in total value locked, SundaeSwap has $113 million. As CryptoGlobe reported, a widely followed ADA whale has recently revealed they believe the total value locked and the Cardano blockchain is going into the billions soon as more projects are launched on top of it, who owns an unhosted wallet whenever a transaction takes place. Patrick Hansen, Unstoppable DeFi's head of strategy, fears major platforms would stop their users from transacting with unhosted wallets in order to stay compliant. Another provision would mean that an exchange would have to inform the authorities every time one of their users receives more than 1,000 euros from an unhosted wallet, even if there is no evidence to suggest that money laundering is taking place. According to Hansen, this amounts to an absolute violation of privacy rights. The Economic and Monetary Affairs Committee is set to vote on these provisions on Thursday. El Salvador has sought to position itself as a paradise for crypto investors after becoming the first country in the world to make Bitcoin legal tender. But over the weekend, the Central American nation declared a state of emergency after a spike in killings on the streets. At least 62 murders were reported on Saturday alone, many of them gang-related, on the most violent days seen in El Salvador for 30 years. The new emergency measures will be in place for 30 days, meaning communications may be monitored, and some public gatherings will be restricted. It's unclear whether this will result in further delays to the planned launch of Nayib Bukel's Bitcoin-backed volcano bonds. Ukraine has launched a virtual museum of non-fungible tokens that document Russia's invasion. Meta History Museum of War features NFTs that document the conflict day by day. Tweets from news sources. And now we will discuss the Cardano price prediction for 2022-2025 based on the following concepts. The cryptocurrency exchange rate is one of the most important factors to consider. At the moment, the rate at the beginning of February is $1.05. The maximum rate is $1.25, the minimum is 79 cents. The average exchange rate per month is 99 cents. Forecast of the Cardano rate at the end of the month 85 cents, change for February minus 19.0%. Cryptocurrencies have become a big hit and, at the same time, a loss situation paradigm for some users. So, traders and investors are always looking for rate predictions down to the smallest detail and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Cardano, ADA, a good investment? How much will Cardano be worth in 2025? Or how much will Cardano be worth in 10 years? Long-term and short-term investment in any cryptocurrency will be discussed in detail. Interestingly, questions such as whether we are making any investments in ADA or whether Cardano will survive in the next few years are unknown. Before moving on to the next topic, let's talk about an overview of Cardano, ADA, and a brief introduction to this fast-growing cryptocurrency. Cardano is currently worth 76 cents United States dollars, with a market cap of $25,632,863,248, making it the 8th most valuable coin. ADA has a 24-hour volume of $2,928,022,475, according to the Technews Leader Price Index. The price of Cardano has changed minus 19.15% in the previous 24 hours. Over the past 7 days, the price of ADA has changed by minus 28.81%. It is limited to a maximum of 33,626,462,852 coins. Cardano price prediction for 2022 ADAs have huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Cardano, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of $1.40. ADA is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of $1.23, a minimum price of $1.19, and a maximum price of $1.40. ADA prediction 2023 for a long-term forecast of the Cardano price. Basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As DApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and